Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you. The Ford C-Max Hybrid and C-Max Energy Plug-in Hybrid are the fun-to-drive advanced technology hybrids. Whichever one you choose, it'll be so spirited and spacious, your friends will love it. And so will you, every time you drive past a gas station. Choose from 4 models: the Hybrid SE, Hybrid Titanium, Energy SE, or Energy Titanium. With its power split hybrid architecture, the C-Max's lithium-ion battery and 2-liter Atkinson cycle inline-4 gas engine can work together or separately, delivering maximum efficiency and best-in-class combined horsepower. Its features are just as impressive as its performance. There's seating for 5 with best-in-class passenger volume. An available class-exclusive hands-free foot-activated liftgate gives you access to almost 53 cubic feet of cargo space when your hands are full. And with voice-activated sync technology, you can keep your eyes on the road and stay connected. Sync comes standard on SE and SEL models, and Titanium and Sport models come equipped with Sync 3. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a C-Max that's all yours. The C-Max Hybrid and C-Max Energy, where efficiency and performance meet. Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years, Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles. And to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.